you guys. All right, what's up, Annie? What's up, bro? My baby, what's up, guys? It's a beautiful day. You understand me? I would not go break it. Any new video? Yes, new video go drop today, and then promise for camera got Elsha, and then go on a road. So them said my camera got Elsha. I'm going got Elsha because I don't know Elsha. I'm gonna like go eat fish. But them gone a road, right? So me I look out for that. But me have new video where me I go drop today. Alright. And me not lie, a bag of things are going, but you guys are gonna say to me, say, Annie, don't do that. Don't speak on that. So I feel like me if go over my YouTube channel, always stay happy. Alright, baby. I feel like me if go over my YouTube channel and go talk because you guys now go want me here talking more like me if just play games, right? One and it never two talk truth. But I want you guys to know that Meka Boo is okay. Meka Boo, alright. Honestly, Meka never too talk it truth. Girl, she okay. Me I tell her the truth. And look here, big up, Jayden, big up yourself. Enough love, baby. When I lie to you, me I smile. I can't have smile. Oh my God. Hold on, guys. Me I contain my smile. Hold on. Me have to contain my smile. Guys, I want to type one Jayden in a penny hub. One Jayden, 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 one Meka Boo. One Jayden, one Meka Boo. One Jayden, one Meka Boo. Come on, guys. One Jayden, one Meka Boo on the app. Come on, Team Blue. Right this so. One Jayden, one Meka Boo on the app. Talk truth, no man. Come on, man. So guys, what me I try to make you know said Meka Boo, she's okay. I think soon she go connect on the app, right? Because I think she up on the road. Good girl smiling, and from look here, from mommy a smile, you know it's a good girl a smile, don't? Alright. Meka Boo never two talk truth, sis. What? One Meka Boo and one Jayden talk truth, no sis? Yeah. Talk truth, yeah. Put the devil to shame. Put the devil to shame. Put the devil to shame. Oh my God. Hold on there, guys. Me could just...
Hey, sweetie pie.
Hi. What's up?
My dad, I could play one quick and go now. My dad, I'm going to win the first match for the day.
Yeah, make we play the one on next week.
Hold on, guys.
Just a come. Oh my God, me not too long come on to, you know. I'm not going to stay on long. Me go back and make videos them for YouTube and next come back on the app, guys.
Yeah, but you continue to yourself and sometimes forgive me if you hear nothing about me, girl. Forgive me in advance, because maybe you hear something, but forgive me. Because you know, say when people tell me them going with anything or whatever, but I truly and honestly, from long time, I didn't know this.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're Gemini, but my spirit take you.
I am.
My spirit take you. You're Gemini?
Yeah.
Blood clot. My born May 23rd. But from I see you, my spirit take you because I always say, I don't judge a person, you know, I watch them actions and see the things that them do. And the things that they do, me judge people from my love. I'm in a position for judge somebody come and say, the whole of my life, family I judge me first.
Yeah.
Everybody I judge me, somebody I walk out people, but
that's
me.
That's
true.
Miss Free take you too. Honestly. Miss Free take you before you even find me. I find you and you never know that. I told you I was watching you all the time on Facebook until when me see you come over, me say, Auntie, reach over TikTok. I'm going to follow you and you follow me back.
Long time for true.
Long time. So but to be honest, I don't have no problem with you. I just have love for you no matter what. That's it. Just love. All love.
Me too, girl. Come here and say, Jesus Christ, I got some of them in our car.
No. Remember, so we understand the internet, you know, and know how to work, right?
Very for the triple guys. Yeah. God.
And before me even go on back and play one next match, me I go say this to my chat, right? I say when no matter what nobody say about you out there in life, just believe in yourself and know what you want. A lot of time I get messed up in my brains and I tell you the truth. There's some good people I have around me. You understand me? When I say I have some good people around me, and some good people get me back to where I belong. You understand? So I'm not going to say me I go influence people out there. I know you guys influence me as well. You understand? Because influence goes where influence come from. Love go where love come from. You understand? Right? And that is what I believe in. Right? So guys, I just want to say thank you so much. And bless up for all of the people that want to see me in a more positivity more than negativity. You understand me? And bless up to the people that always want to see me smile. Honestly, I never know someone that really come here so and feel so good. And I don't want it change. Alright? Thank you. Oh guys, we could play with this lady. Oh my god, she have warning though. She have warning. Me not really like to play with somebody have warning. One is should I go take it. She have a nice lady. She have a good spirit. Maybe she not take it because of the warning. But anyway, make we go for multiple. You're gonna be one of the biggest. Oh.